Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I am Kaji Fawaz Ahmed, aka Designer Dollar, and welcome to my channel. There has been a long time that I haven't quite upload any videos. So today here it is. Today I am going to teach you, or you can learn about the some of the techniques of using Adobe Photoshop CC 2020. Yes, this is absolutely a new and fresh, totally a fresh version of Adobe Photoshop. So let's get it started, and you are going to learn some of the main hacks, or some of the main alternative way to use the Photoshop, or you can say it that the main hacks. So if you are new in my channel, then definitely consider subscribing, and if you have any question or query, and you can definitely write down it in the comment section, and absolutely you can share it with your friends and family. So without any further ado, let's get started. So fire up the Photoshop. So this is the new version of Adobe Photoshop 2020. Here it is. Go to the help and then click on the Adobe Photoshop. So you can see that the version of this software is 21.00 release, or that means it is the latest version of Adobe Photoshop CC. Okay, skip it. Now this is my canvas. So the first tool, or the first hack is you can resize, or you can bring this tool. This is called the tools bar anywhere in this canvas. So if I drag it, see this, the little right arrow, double right arrow. After that you can see the dotted line. So if you hold down the left key of your mouse and drag the toolbar anywhere you want, you can drag it here, or you can drag it here, edit, okay, or you can drag it anywhere you like to drag you want. So this is the first hack, or first method of using this toolbar. You can also expand the tools, but I like to use like that. Okay, drag it here. Then the second hack is you can use the multiple tools, just a single click. Yes, you heard me right, that if I hold down the mouse and drag it here, the Enquiry tool, the rectangular tool, whatever you like to call it, this is the tool that is these are very useful to create the shape, many kind of shape, or reshape, or you can call it that to make or create a rectangular, a ellipse, or a single row, blah blah blah. So if I want the rectangular tool, by default it is looks like that, the rectangular marker tool. But if you want to use the elliptical tool, so definitely you have to drag it down and holding the mouse button, the left mouse button, and click on the elliptical marquee tool, and you can see hold down the mouse, you can see there are many options of creating the types. Definitely you can also hold down the Alt button and just click for once. You can create, or you can access the type tools, the many kind of type tools. Okay, the third hack is if you want this canvas, this is a cartoon portrait, sorry, I'm just joking, this is the cartoon, and if you want to make it big for a great view, you can definitely hold the F button of your keyboard. Let's see, just I'm pressing the F button, you can see, hold or press the F button for twice if you want to look or for better viewing angle or the full screen view. You can definitely access it by just press the F button. Okay, and another technique is if you want to expand the canvas or hide this extension tool, or you can say it again, this is one kind of tools bar. If you don't see this here, you can access it by go to the window, and there are plenty of tools. Okay, you can access it from here. If you don't want to see this access tool, so definitely you can hide it by just pressing the tab button, and it will cover the whole canvas, and it will give you a better view. This is another technique. Okay, and the last but not the least, you can import a image. Definitely, yes, this is an image. You can access it and go to the properties panel. Now if you can't see this option, the properties panel, you can go to the window and then click on the properties. You can access it from here, and this is the magic, that if I click on the selected layer which I want to modify, so I can access it. But if I select the select subject, the artificial intelligence of Adobe Photoshop or the Creative Cloud members for the you can select it without any hesitation, without any difficulties. Yes, this is true that it don't give you a better or 100% accuracy of selection, but to make a sense, right? Because I know the viewer of mine, or you are the viewers, you are very smart, and I believe in you. Okay, so these are the main tips and tricks or hacks I wanted to show you. So I hope this video will encourage you to create some basic or create many designs in Photoshop CC. And if you enjoyed this video, definitely hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and share it with your friends and family, and leave a comment what you want to see in my next or future videos. So it will help me to create some of these yes, okay, you know that. Okay, so thank you, and by the grace of Almighty, I am very happy to connect with you, and this is another video of mine. So okay, see you next time. Bye bye, peace.